In this video, I will show you how to sell Ethereum on Bitvavo. And if you aren't started yet on Bitvavo, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to not pay any fees in the beginning. So this can save you a lot of money and gives you a lot of benefits. So feel free to check the link. But anyway, let's dive into the video right now. So let's go over to our assets, or you can go to your wallet, but basically click on Ethereum and then at the bottom right you see sell. In here you need to enter the amount that you want to sell, and you need to be aware that there is a minimum of around €5 or something that's equivalent to $5 as a minimum to sell. So let's say that I want to sell €6, then I'm going to click on preview order, and right now I see the Ethereum price. This will be refreshed every 6 seconds, and this is the price where I'm selling for. And below you see the fees that are included. And again, if you do not want to pay any fees in the beginning, then check the link in the description to get started for free and give yourself a nice benefit. So anyway, click on Sell ETH, and that is how you sell Ethereum on Bitvavo. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.